I know what it is. Why settle for Japanese newspapers when you can have Thailand newspapers? Ugh. The writing kind of irritates me, actually. It's just so squiggly. Oh my god, my computer's making noises. It's so squiggly, I can't even make out the date. They think it's 2562? Are you shitting me? God, they even have a different ear system than we do. Anyway. Oh my god. You know what? There's going to be a little bit to unwrap. Please check part numbers with the part list before opening the package. Well, that's a little hard to do. If you didn't open the package, how can you see what parts are in it? Okay, this is the parts list, and as you can see on that, it says Godzilla GHOST. And this is not all the parts. What the hell? Oh, I think these come separately. In any case. Yeah, it says Godzilla's ghost, but this is really Godzilla's skeleton. I imagine after he got hit with that oxygen destroyer from the very first movie back in the 50s. Yeah, here it says 25 parts. I was under the impression it's a lot more than that, because I believe these ribs or whatever were actually separate parts in the auction image. But yeah. Yikes. Just to give you an idea of what I'm up against here, this is just his foot. Oh my god, this is going to be bigger than I thought. Yeah, this is way bigger than I thought. 3 rib, 3 rib, 2 rib. Holy shit balls, look at the leg fucking skeleton. Oh my god. I have to see this. Ugh. Yeah, right off the bat, a lot of YouTubers, specifically one called Leona on YouTube, Leona's Workshop? Leona's Workplace? Something like that. She was mentioning that it's really not smart to buy resin kits from eBay that are from Taiwan, for the simple fact that instead of using fully resin, they will use talc. They'll actually put talc into it to try and make the resin last longer, because resin costs so much. And, you know, I'm not really seeing a problem with that. Although, yeah, it doesn't feel like it mushes quite like resin, so maybe there is a bit of talc or something in it. I don't know, I could be wrong. But the other issue was their casts are usually terrible, and I can tell right off the bat, this cast is not good. It is not a good cast. It's really rough. It's really bumpy. It will take a good bit. I mean, there could even be parts missing. Like, is that missing there? I can't even tell. It very well could be. Let me see what the other one looks like. It's like, you know, we're talking a very beat to shit looking skeleton, so it's even harder to tell if anything is missing. Looking at them side by side, it does look like it is pretty well done. I can't tell. It almost looks like that should be shaved down. In any case, they are very shitty castings, and I can tell that. But, you know, again, it's a skeleton, so as long as you get rid of seam lines and paint it up real nice, you won't even care that the casting itself isn't that good, because it's a fucking skeleton, right? But yeah, it could be a lot better, I'm sure. Like here you have a piece jutting out here. Is that because it was broken off the sprue, or is it actually supposed to be there and it's broken off of this? It almost looks like that could be an air bubble. Nobody knows. Can I tell that looking at the picture? Not really. Yeah, it's impossible to tell from that picture. One thing I was kind of hoping was that maybe these were separate pieces, like, you know, it could actually be mobile, but I can tell also that by the time this puppy's put together, I will be happy if it just stands up without falling over, because holy shit. Yeah. Let's see, double rib, quadruple rib, no, triple rib. Wait, let me see. What am I seeing here? Oh, okay, I guess that's his shoulder plate, maybe? Yeah, you can see, I mean, you can kind of guess how clean this is supposed to look, but it's just not there. Yeah, it is going to take a lot of cleanup, even if it is a beat-to-hell skeleton. here's the tip of his tail. Let's take a look at this. This is the kind of thing where even if a part's missing, I would probably just let the seller go on it and resculpt it myself. Let's see. Yeah. Again, I can't tell what is bad casting and what is meant to be. I mean, I just can't tell. Ooh, sorry about that. Yeah, so his tail lays like this. Yeah, there's bumps. There's bumps that need to be gotten rid of. It's not terrible, but it's nothing that can be called good. Like here you have sharp points ending here. Here you have them, they just didn't cast all the way through. Easy fixes, yes, but many easy fixes that need to take place. And here you have too much shit. Boy, oh boy. You know, at the same time, I'm looking at the size of these pieces, and I still have a respect for the art that they've done. I mean, for the fact, just the craft work of being able to cast that. It's hard to hate them. See, end on the possibility that this is a weaker type of material they're using. Yeah. Am I right? Oh my god, that's so funny. Yeah, I was watching Leona's Workshop, or whatever it was called. I'll put a link in the description. She's great. They were laughing at these. Let me smell this. Okay, this doesn't smell too bad. They were laughing because they said they smelled like shit. And they were also laughing because they were finding DNA of the humans who helped cast this. And in their case, they had clear plastic that had hair in it. Well, what do you know? This has someone's hair in it. Yeah. Someone's hair is embedded in the freaking resin. That's crazy. How does that even happen? Good lord, people. Yeah. And you got to be really careful taking them out. That's what I was trying to say, actually. Because, you know, just taking them out of the plastic when they're in an inferior quality material could result in damage. But the hands are out, the fingers are good, and yay. Come on, everybody. Make a wish with me. Yeah, like hell. Let's see. I like how they have ball joints, even though they're not going to be used as ball joints. Oh, jeez. Yeah. The casting isn't good on this, but when else am I going to get a Godzilla Ghost or skeleton? I mean, come on. Ah, stupid me. I missed this. Holy shit. Yeah, there's quite a bit of parts here. Yeah. Man, I'm just going to look at these all on the floor because holy crap. Good lord. I think these are the hip bones. Yes, definitely. That is the hip bone. Good lord. What a massive creature this is. That looks kind of weird. That does look like the slot it's supposed to go into. But maybe that slot's not wide enough. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Here's the massive vertebrae parts. Holy shit. Yeah, I think even someone who is uninitiated into resin kits can still tell, just even from looking at this, how very shoddily this has been cast. But, you know, again, it's a Godzilla skeleton. Come on. More vertebrae. Oof. I haven't even taken these out, and I can already tell they're super shitty. Especially this little specimen right here. Yeah, look at that. There's even holes in it. I don't think there's meant to be. There's actually holes in that. But, you know, a little bit of milliput or Tamiya putty, it'll fix it right up. I think I'll put that right back there. Let me count these on the sheet. I'm guessing this is part of his esophagus. And here is his skull. Yeah, I can already tell that doesn't quite fit. Looks like it's supposed to fit there and fit there. It does not. So, and here we go again. There's hair embedded in it. God, that's so weird. It's not cast too well, like everything else here, but with enough coats of paint and the right shaving down and right filling, it could work. Thankfully, these teeth are not too bad. 3 on the back here, 2 on the back here. They need to be sharpened out a little bit because they are they have air holes on the tips, much like that Gone model I got months and months ago. Here's the lower jaw. Same thing. One of the back teeth isn't filled out all the way. Yeah, not the best, but certainly not the worst. And if I'm lucky, this is pure enough resin that I can heat this up, hopefully, and bend it into the shape that I need it to be, so it doesn't end up looking like an Imperial Godzilla. Yeah. But, yeah. So, yeah, I probably won't be showing this model until I've actually started building it, because holy crap. My God. This is going to take a lot of cleanup and a lot of luck. Okay. As you can see, the ends of the jaw should be up here, underneath his cheek bone here. So I'm going to use a hairdryer to try and fix that. If this is pure resin, which I highly doubt, it shouldn't be too bad heating up and bending it, but chances are this is imbued with talc or some other kind of filler material. The only thing is, as you can see, it's a little bit off, isn't it? It's like if you push it all the way in where it should be, it's like, and we're right back to that Imperial Godzilla again. At that, it's pretty flush in the back. It's pretty flush in the front. I just gotta leave it alone, let it set like that. Yeah, cool. This stuff really reacted with the hairdryer very well. I'm really kind of shocked. That was cool. I didn't expect that. Yeah. It should be very cool when done. Huh. That's freaky. The Godzilla skull looks a hell of a lot like the Bosk skull. Aww.